Hello and welcome to muazo.co.uk. My name is Nitin, the founder of Muazo, and today we're looking at part 3 of our 3-part series on discovering the fragrances by Philippe Starck. Now, in the last 2 videos we discussed Peau de Soie, Skin of Silk, Peau d'Allure, which was Skin of Bears, and today we'll be looking at Peau De Pierre, and I believe this is Skin of Stone or Stone Skin. Each fragrance has a particular kind of soul or spirit, whereas Peau de Soie is aimed at women and has this very alluring, sensual, sexual kind of edge to it. Peau d'Allure is aimed at both men and women, and it's a bit more. It's just as alluring, but a bit more, ethereal, and it translates well for both. Peau de Pierre, on the other hand, is on the other side of the spectrum. It is firmly aimed at men, and we'll discover why in a second. Let's just take a quick look at the bottle. Again, it's got that same finish, wonderful clean edges with that fantastic waveform that we're becoming quite familiar with. So in this case, it matches the description of stone. It's got this wonderful, if you hear this, textured finish, 3D waveform, very good, love feeling it. It's good in the hands, and it really gets that soul and essence across. There is a message that runs through the entire range, even though individually they stand alone, but when they come together they have a soul that runs through them. So I love it. It's just Starck all the way through, this kind of like feeling of connectivity, organic, industrial thinking. I love it. So let's give it a go. So this is in collaboration with Daphne Bugey. It's, wow, yeah. Again, like I've smelt these all before, but when I revisit them, it's just like you kind of don't remember, and then you smell them, you're like, oh my god, I love these. So this is woody, smoky. This is peppery almost as well, but not peppery as in like pepper, but as in there is an edge of spice to it. Musky, woody, smoky. Whereas Peau de Soie I described it as charged with pheromones, or very seductive. This is definitely on the opposite side. This is testosterone filled masculinity. Yeah, definitely masculine. It's woody, it's smoky, has this kind of like sweet edge to it almost. I love it. This is actually my go-to fragrance. I wear this in the evenings when I'm going to go out on a to go out for a glass of wine or something. Or just for a cocktail and meeting friends. It's nice, and like I said, you like it, then you put it down, and it's been a couple of days and you haven't worn it, and then you go back to it and you try it and you're like, damn, I love this. It's really nice. And that's what I like about it. So this is Peau De Pierre by Philippe Starck and Daphne Bugey. Skin of Stone, I think it definitely hits the mark. It's definitely masculine. I love the bottle, I love the design. Obviously I'm a fan. And this is the 90ml. It's also available in 40ml. You get free delivery from the UK, or in the UK. And brilliant. Let me know what you think. Do you own this? Do you already have it in your collection? Do you like it? Did you have the same reaction? Do you dislike it? Whatever your feelings, whatever your thoughts, put them in the comments below. All links to all products in the range will be linked below. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel. Hit that subscribe button. Why not? You know, give me that feeling. Give me that tingly feeling whenever you hit that subscribe button. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you get a chance to sample the range. And I'll see you again. Bye bye.